Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin. Let's learn how to draw a pumpkin this Halloween. Begin by making a big C and an inverted C, leaving some gap in between. That's looking good. Now make an inverted U at the top and normal U at the bottom to join the two. Great! This is our rough pumpkin. Let's proceed by making a small stem at the top of its head. A slanted rounded rectangle bending towards the left. Great work! Make 3 triangles which represent its 2 eyes and a nose. Now make a wide open mouth followed by some rectangles in between to achieve a curved smile. Color. Fully ripe pumpkins are orange in color. Let's color the entire pumpkin face with orange. Use black to color its eyes, nose and mouth. Use a light green over the stem. Pumpkin carving art is a very popular activity during Halloween. We can even place a candle inside and the whole head illuminates, thus turning it into a vegetable lantern. Show the pumpkin drawing to your family and friends. Let's learn how to draw a witch hat prop this Halloween. Start by making a triangle. Erase the top point. Good. Now use the left line to make a deep curve downwards, ending like a C-tide. Now let this swirl meet the right line point. Very good. Now draw 2 wavy lines horizontally. Make sure it is a bit behind the main triangle. Let the top left point go upwards into a C-tide and meet the bottom line. Nice! Join the 2 horizontal lines with an inverted C. Make 3 bands on the triangle. Adorn the first one with circles, next one with rainbow lines, and the last one with stars. The spider has found a cozy corner on the top of the hat. Draw a circle which represents the spider's head, followed by 3 short lines which represent its legs. Good! As for the cobweb, make a huge inverted V and 3 inverted U patterns to achieve the design. Repeat the same spider position at any 2 corners of the hat. Very nice! Color. Use any color as per your choice and preference. We are going ahead with dark blue. Very neat! We are going with green circles on black, yellow stars on the black band. Now use contrasting colors on the bands and rainbow colors on the rainbow band. Great work! Show this Halloween hat drawing to friends and family. Let's learn how to make devil Halloween face masks. Start by making 2 inverted U's. Nice! Now join them with a curved sleeping line just like this. Draw 2 horns. Erase 2 portions from this rough figure slightly curved upwards. Good going! Now leave a 5-finger gap and make a straight line at the bottom. Erase the center portion and make an inverted U. Let the ends go outwards and make pointed ears. Very nice! Make 2 wide eyes without any eyeballs. Our drawing is done. Let's proceed. Now make 2 thick eyebrows with 3 to 4 hair strands coming out. Lovely! Color. Red-colored horns. Black skull. Black eyebrows. Show this devil mask drawing to family and friends now. Let's learn how to make a cat mask this Halloween. Start by making 2 inverted V's which are slightly curved. It will be placed on the opposite sides of the page just like this. Good! Now join the 2 with an inverted C. From the above 2 V's, create the bottom 2 V's which are also curved. Nice! Put a curvy line to connect the full figure. Feel free to pause or rewind the art tutorial in case you are drawing along. Now make 2 large eyes without any eyeballs. Let's proceed to color. Color. Let's color the entire mask in black, staying true to the spirit of Halloween. Show the cat face mask drawing to friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.